Okay, so here we are back in the interior of the car, and it said everything worked, so I thought I'd show real quick. Here you can see the brake light, the oil pressure, and the generator light are all on. The hot light, which sits right there, is not on, and neither is the cold. I think that's just a blank light there. But anyways, the car is neither overheated, nor is it cold, because I did the cold start earlier. The gas gauge does work. Just don't have much gas in it. Let's see here. Let's start with the lights. Now it's a bright day out. Yeah, you probably can't see me adjust the dimmer, can you? You'll just have to take my word for that one. You hear that? Alright, let's go check those lights we just turned on. Oh, driver's side. Passenger side. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. That actually gives me an idea. Let's turn this off. Let's put this in reverse. There you go. Alright, out of reverse. Put it back in gear. Lights on. Oh, I'm so silly. That's the bright light. That's the hot light right there. But anyways, it's not on regardless. Hey, look at that. And don't be fooled by the bright sunny day out here. At night, these are brighter than a Harvard graduate. So let's see, let's turn those off. Optima batteries are great, but they don't last forever. There's that blinker. Let's make sure we're indicating properly back here. Oh yeah, the people behind you will definitely know what you are doing. How about the people in front of you? Oh, look at that. What if we were making a right-hand turn? Oh yeah. Let's see, what else can we test in here? Can you hear the clock ticking? Probably not. The antenna is down. You see it there? On the radio. Let's show you how to operate that one real quick. Now it's a little known fact that these cars back in the 60s actually came with power everything, including power antennas. You, or me in this case, just have to supply the power. That goes in there and use it to pull straight up. And look at that. So.
그들에게 잘하는 것이 가장 중요한 거라고 생각하죠. 하지만
Holy smokes. I do not understand a word of that, but you get the idea.
Smile on my face, and I enjoyed my 2 hours at the movies.
he enjoyed his 2 hours at the movies. Now this one, gotta hold it. Can you see that? You want me to stick my finger in there? Okay. No. It works. You will not be able to operate your GPS unit off of it. I found that out. That is a Hungarian 100 forint coin. This must be a remnant from when I was in Hungary. The Tesco carts require 100 forints or €1 to use their cart, and you get it back at the end. Since this car was my grocery getter, I needed the grocery coin. Let's see. Leaving that on cold. Oh, let's turn the fan on. Can you hear it? I do not know what that is for. Somebody cut that in there. It's got a little flap right here. Floor vent. Same thing on that side. Hey, hey. That was actually just replaced that lens, as was this one. This one flew out the window when I had the windows down when I went on a road trip. So I replaced those, and they are actually from a 1967. I made mention in the video, or in the advertisement, that we were not sure if this Impala's interior was original or not, or if it's from the factory or done aftermarket. So I was very worried when the partner to this bad boy went out the window. I did some looking online, and it looks like a 1967's was going to fit. So I bought a couple, and they worked. You know, that brings me to a good point. If I were here, I would do this. Look at that. Smooth like pudding. Pulls up and down with minimal effort. Same with this side. I don't know what this really shows you guys, but it's stuff that I would do if I was buying a car. Heck, it is stuff I did when I was buying this car. Look at that. Pardon the grass, I just mowed the lawn. And me moving in and out, just drug some of that in there, but I will be cleaning that out before you get it. Guys, that is about all I have to show you. Oh, you know what? I am wrong. We did not do this. Look at that. Slow speed. This is a dry windshield on a hot day. There's a high speed. And of course, it's faster when the rain goes. Okay. Lights are off. You're just going to take my word that the brake lights work. I don't have a partner today. I'm rambling. So I guess that must be all I have to say about that.